So there is I'm Dr. Gupta from Apollo Hospital, Delhi on 25th of July. There is a borderline moderate stenosis blockage, which is about 50 to 70% in one of the major arteries. In such cases, we are mostly we get confused. Not confused, but we want to be sure whether we need to put a stent or not. In such cases, when there is a moderate stenosis and patient has some symptom, and we are not too sure whether the patient will have requirement of stenting or not, so we will do a FFR, fractional flow reserve. It is again a technically demanding job. With the help of that machine, we will measure. We will measure the pressure difference between the blockage before and after with the help of a special machine. Wire, which is different from ordinary wire, but it is a pressure wire. It has got दिखा दो पीछे दिखा दो बोला तो पीछे लाइट चल रही है. So we will put this wire inside the coronary artery before and after the blockages to show the stage. This wire is going. Torture देना पड़ेगा. Because a ramus branch, so once you without it, so we have placed a special wire which is known as a pressure wire. It is different from a different wire. ये wire अलग होता है. It is not a coronary wire, but it is a coronary wire with a pressure sensing system. It can measure the pressures and it will be shown on that. It will be shown on this monitor, which will show the pressure difference between the proximal and distal portion of the blockage. We are injecting adenosine.
15 ml देना सर पहले.
15.
15.
Only 15. Which will reduce the heart rate and that will help in causing bradycardia with the help of adenosine, and that will help us in measurement of the दिखाइए zoom कर दीजिएगा measurement of the PA distal and 0.95 आया.
रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है.
So normally zoom कर लेती है वो. Normally if it is less than 0.8, that shows the significance of the blockage. एक बार और we'll put another adenosine.
20.
The bradycardia is induced with the help of adenosine, and that time we will see the pressure differences. Again I am injecting and then you show the pressure again. So I am going up with the. You will see the bradycardia. Now the heart rate has gone down to about 50 with the help of adenosine, which is a very short acting. And now this is being calibrated with this machine. The pressure difference between the proximal and distal segment of the blockage. If it is less than 0.8, then we will again 0.94. So that shows we have done 2 times. So we have put to summarize, whenever there is a blockage which it looks like blockage दिखाओ हाथ में दिखाओ English दिखा देना. The blockage which looks like 50 to 70% longish block. In such cases, we are not too sure because the patient had angina. We are not too sure whether we should do angioplasty or not. So we have a new system of fractional flow reserve, which will measure the pressure difference between the proximal and distal segment of the blockage with the help of special wire, which is a pressure wire. And with the special machine and with the technicians' help of Apollo Hospital in Delhi, we have found that the pressure difference FFR is 0.94, and 0.94 does not require stenting, and therefore we are happy that we have taken a right decision, because this artery was looking tight in some views. So we were thinking that it could be eccentric blockage. So I remove everything now?
Yes.
So now I am removing this wire. You can show this wire which has gone inside the coronary artery, being pulled out. The blackish portion is now being pulled out. Now we are pulling out the wire and the procedure is complete. So fractional flow reserve is a new technology, not so new but still not being used so frequently. Lot of people get excited to put a stent, but if you are not too sure that the blockage is eccentric block or it is having, because I have shown you the previous pictures, it was looking tight in one or two views. Tight means stenosis more than 70%, and therefore we thought of doing angioplasty initially. But on second thought, we thought that but we have removed. We thought that we should be able to avoid angioplasty. So we will take a final shot after doing the procedure of the same artery. Yes, so we will check it again to show that the last shot le lete hain. Shot means picture, to be sure that everything is fine and there is nothing wrong. So artery is fully open. We have gone through the artery. Show that artery, बीच वाली उंगली से दिखाइए अपने. The artery with this no, yes, this artery. हाँ. I am happy that we have been able to, with the help of techniques of FFR, we have been able to avoid a stent, which sometime the young cardiologist they feel that we can put a stent, but FFR is a good technique. Unnecessary stenting can be avoided with the help of this technology. Especially show that again 0.94 पास से दिखाइए, हाथ से दिखाओ 0.94, उंगली लगा दो जरा. This is 0.94 which is FFR, and this is PA proximal and PA distal. These are the pressure differences, and that has shown that it is not a significant blockage, and therefore we have been able to remove this, finish off the procedure. So FFR is a technology where you can differentiate between putting a stent or not to put a stent in a blockage which is not looking very severely tight, especially when it is 50 to 70%. Thank you very much for watching this video. I am Dr. Vivek Gupta, Senior Cardiologist in Apollo Hospital, New Delhi, and just informing you. And these are our cath lab. Our cath lab where you can do this. Our nursing staff, Lakshmi and Dr. Devyani, who was doing the recording, and all through she was present with us in our cath lab. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.